If you have ever wondered how the maps quickly find the fastest route, then you are already thinking like an IT engineer. At SFIT, in our B.Tech Information Technology course, we have built the syllabus especially for curious students who are interested in building the systems on which people rely on. That's why you will learn everything from full stack development to AI tools, from cybersecurity to cloud computing and data analytics. In our labs, you will work with exactly the same technologies which you will use in your jobs like React, Node.js, AWS and SQL. At our Siri Labs Data Science Center of Excellence, you will work on real projects collaborating with the professionals even before your graduation. Because learning IT here is not just about understanding concepts but building with them through our colloquium, hackathons, IT department students associations and many other activities. And that kind of real-world experience opens doors for you to become software developer, cybersecurity analyst, data engineer, AI specialist, entrepreneur, or even pursue higher studies and research. Now the only question is, which problem will you solve first?